Hello and welcome to Mystery. This project was created for one of my first proper coding assignments in university using the BlueJ IDE, and it showed me for the first time how to properly write object-oriented code. This small text-based RPG is highly influenced by the Boyle Party mission in Bethesda Softworks and Arcane Studios' Dishonored 1. So let's see how this game is played. We are at the Broad Estate. There are three hosts, Odette, Camilla, and Beatrix, and we have to identify one of them as the Evil King's associate, which means that she can have some information on what he's up to nowadays. We have to find out the truth by collecting some evidence, and let's see what the journey has for us. Right now we're in the front yard. We can go to the ballroom or the backyard, and we have an invitation somewhere on the floor. Let's just pick it up. Just take invitation. Okay, so we took the invitation. Let's try to, since we have it, let's try to go to the ballroom. I guess you would need an invitation to go. Oh, it's locked. What happens if we go to the backyard? There's a balcony key and a trash can. Let's take the balcony key, shall we? Why not? Maybe this is going to be helpful later. Okay. If we press back, it's going to take us to the room that we've previously been to. And since we can't just have the invitation on us and go through the door, let's try to use the invitation to go through the front door to the ballroom. So, we're going to use the invitation on the ballroom. The invitation was used. Can we go to the ballroom now? Yes, we can. And there's nobody here. We've been the first ones to the party, and apparently there's nobody in the house for now. Right. Let's see if we can go to the kitchen. There's some food and a knife here. I don't think we really need to take them already. I mean, we're the first ones at the party. It would be a shame. Go. Cellar. Maybe they have some nice wines. It's locked. Cool. Okay, so let's just go back to the ballroom then. And see what happens in the hallway. Go hallway. We have the rooms of all the hosts. And we can go to the balcony or back to the ballroom. Can we go to the balcony? No, we can't. But if we see what's in the backpack, we have the balcony key. So we can use the balcony key on the balcony. That's because we can't use it on the balcony, so use balcony key on balcony. Okay. Go balcony. And we're in the same room as nobody, there's just the edge. Let's probably not jump over. Let's go back. So all that's left to explore are the rooms of the girls, so let's just take them in order. Let's go to Beatrix's room. There is nothing in the room, we can just go back to the hallway and there's nobody here, so back. Beatrix and Odette are in the party apparently, yay! We're not alone. And since both of them are here, let's not make it awkward and go to Camilla's rather than Odette's. Okay, there's a letter in Camilla's room. Let's take it. Okay, we got the letter and it's actually displaying to us what the letter is saying, so... My dearest Camilla, I am writing to inform you that everything went as expected. The realm will finally pay for its mistakes. Okay, that's a bit dark. I'm hoping to see you soon. With love, your one and only. So I'm assuming that's going to be the king, and Camilla's having an affair with him. Okay, sure. So it's pretty obvious that Camilla is the one who's done all of this. So let's go back. Okay, there's nobody in the room, the girls left, which doesn't make it awkward to go to Odette and see if there's any other clue that we can get. There's a cellar key, so we can go to the cellar that was previously locked. Cool. Let's take it. And then if we go back, Beatrix is here. We can't arrest her because we know that she's not the one who's done anything wrong. Let's go to the ballroom. Oh, that is here. Let's go to the kitchen. There's nobody here. We have the cellar key and we're next to the cellar. Let's just go to the cellar, shall we? Use cellar key on the cellar. And let's go to the cellar. Okay, so now we don't know where we are. We have a letter. Let's just try going to the hallway, for example. We can't go there. Go balcony. We can't go there. Go ballroom. Okay. And now let's find out where were we. Let's just go back. Let's just press back and see where we were. Oh, cool, we're in the front yard. Let's go back to the cellar. Where are we gonna end up next? Because I'm pretty sure there's no way that going to the cellar is gonna actually send us straight to the front yard. Like that. Go kitchen. Go cellar. Okay, let's try again. Go hallway, for example. Okay, we are now in the hallway, but where were we before? Oh, we were in the death room, so the cellar is a teleportation room, which doesn't really tell you where you're going. You just kind of end up in a place and you have to figure out where to go. Cool. So now that we know this, let's find Camilla. Okay, Camilla's here. So what happens if we arrest Camilla? Since we know that she is the lover of the king and she's definitely gonna know something about it. Okay, we won! So I want to figure something else out as well. Let's see. We're in the same room as Camilla. But what happens if we go somewhere else? Let's go to the ballroom, for example. What happens if I arrested it? So we lost in this instance. Okay, so the game definitely works if I arrest the right person. That's really good to know. Thank you very much for joining me today to see this very, very old project of mine. Maybe one day I'm actually gonna make something more of it than just a BlueJ project. I can make it a fully fledged Java project. But for now, I have some other projects in mind that I want to work on. Thank you.